You know what, traders? You know what's going on right now. Do you see it here? Do you see it in the markets? Do you see the movement in the markets right now? Unfortunately, there's going to be a lot of pain in the markets that's coming, and it's not what you think. Because what you're thinking is pain means drop in the markets, and unfortunately, you are wrong. Because the pain is going to come from those who are shorting the market right now. You guys are going to have so much pain in the markets. Are you seeing it already? Are you seeing what's happening in the last couple of days? There is so much pain in the market, and it's coming to a theater near you. I've been talking about this all week, guys, and you keep fighting the markets. Well, some of you guys anyway. You smart ones are not. Look at the S&P 500. Ever since I've been doing videos, look at this here. Bam, 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 bam. Are you still think the market's going to go down? Now, by the way, you guys that are saying the market's going to go down, are you actually short the markets? Because I'm long the markets. I'm actually long. That's where my money is. So if you guys are saying no, the market's going to go down, on what basis? Firstly, but also, are you even short the market? And if you are, there's a lot of pain that is happening in your life right now. And now you're starting to get nervous and scared because look at the last 3 days. Bam, bam, bam. And away we go in the market. So this is the S&P 500. We're right at level through here. We may get a little bit of a drop to the downside, but there is a lot of pain that's happening right now across the shorts right now. And unfortunately, there is a huge herd mentality that are buying these short ETFs. Simply means when the market goes down, these things go up. So they're loading up on those in inverse ETFs and put options and everything like that. But me, what have I been saying for the last week? All right, big move come to the upside. So we may have a little bit of a pause, when the market opens back up, into half day here. But moving into next week, this is the weekly chart here, guys. This is the big weekly chart. This here is called up, trend, up, momentum, and we want to go with up. You trying to call top here? I don't see how, but okay. There's a lot of pain that's coming towards you right now if you are short the markets. And unfortunately, the market's already ripping your face off the last 3 days. And guess what? There's more coming to a theater near you. Come on down, watch the market. Come on down, watch the movie. Because you know what the movie is going to be about, right? It's screaming at you right now. And if you are short, there is going to be a lot of pain. So, looking at this level from here, through December and into January, if we can start to break above this level from here, I have a target of 8,500. We're about to see a supersonic boom to the upside. And for you guys that have been saying, no, the market's going to go down, what has the market been doing this last few days? This is the S&P. By the way, have you seen the Russell? Look at the Russell. Just absolutely bam, 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 and bam to the upside. Strong buys. You know what this is telling you? The market's saying, hey, here we go. And this is not a relief rally. This is what? Continuing the trend. This is just continuing the trend. The trend, hop on the trend. Hop on the momentum there. Russell through here. Then the NASDAQ through here. Right, this is the NASDAQ through here. Nice move to the upside. Again, we're not 100% here with the NASDAQ, but there's a nice sort of holding through here. Right, same for the Dow as well too. Nice, look at this here. Really bam, 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 bam to the upside. So I'm actually expecting a little bit of weakness coming into next week. Right, so coming into next week, I'm actually expecting a little bit of a drop to the downside. Now we may not. Right, we may get something like that. But if we don't and we can just continue doing that, lots of pain coming to a theater near you, or those who are on the herd mentality, and that is the shorts right now, because there's major negative around these markets right now is going to top. That's the reason why we're probably going to see more movement to the upside from here. Really big movements. On the front of the interest rates, look at this here. Interest rates are still going down, guys. That's why for you guys to know that, hey, What did I do? What did I do a little while ago, a month or so ago? I started investing into the bond market and started buying options on the bond market. Right? Why? Because interest rates are coming down. And this is where the trend, right? The trend is where you want to go. If the market starts here and we make these highs and lower highs and lower highs and lower highs and lower highs, do not be trying to buy that. Just like when the stock market's making higher lows and higher lows and higher lows, do not be trying to short that. Because look at this here. Every time you try to pick a bottom, you have been wrong. Right? So that's the 10-year. Why? This is the 30-year. Look at this here. Big. Look at this here. Bam, bam, bam. All the way down. And now we're holding level 3. Big selling period for here. And that's the reason why, guess what? And that's why a couple months ago, I started investing in TMF. Why? Because over the next 6 months, as this starts to continue unfold, guess what is coming, right? A nice big boom out of through here. We're already in the cutting cycle. This is the Fed funds rate. We're already in the cutting cycle. This is the 2-year, which I believe the 2-year is going to get absolutely just smashed soon. Like, look at this here. This thing's been going down all year, right? Actually, a lot more than that, actually. We've been really on a bit of a downward phase ever since 2022, right? Down, away we go. There is a lot of pain that's happening right now for those who fight the market. So don't have pain. How do you not have pain in the market? See where it goes, right? Meaning, like, if there is downward phases, we go with that. Not these little bounces through here, a little bounce and a little bounce and a little bounce. Do not be trying to buy that. Guess what? Every time, look at this here, right? Look at this here. A little bounce, smack. Bounce, smack, bounce, smack, bounce, smack. What's the smack? Smack is, you try to buy the bottom and you got hurt. You lost money here, you lost money here, you lost money here, you lost money here by trying to buy it. Meaning, you don't have to have pain. For you guys that are short in the stock market right now, you don't have to have pain in the markets. Why? Look at the ES through here, right? ES, what is happening through here? Bam, 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 bam. Market is still going up. And every time you try to short it, smack. Short it, smack. Short it, smack. Short it, smack. Every time you try to pick a top. So my encouragement for you, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and you kids that are watching right now, right? Listen to Grandpa right now, okay? Listen to me. If you want longevity in these markets, don't try and go against it. Don't fight the market, right? Because most of the time the market's going to win. Most of the time the trend's going to continue. Most of the time that's going to happen. Every now and then that's going to be right. But by the time you're right, meaning you're trying to call the top, by the time you actually get the top right, you have no money left because you just lost the market. You're here to make money, right? So as you can see, whenever the market's trending like it is right now, you go with that. Unfortunately, there is a lot of pain that is coming in the markets right now. And once again, it's not from the downside. It's from people who are short the markets right now. And there's a herd mentality around here. And guess what? The pain of the shorts, it's just getting started. And guess what? There's a major picture, major movie coming out to a theater near you.